Ladles and jelly spoons, welcome back to Badgerworks. Do not adjust your sets, there is nothing wrong with your picture. I've got a little something to show you and I think you're going to like it. So, today, this. Now, over the upcoming weeks we're going to be working on a little project. I wanted to give you a little sneak peek of what it's all about, and I think you're going to like it. Because this is, yes, it's a model tank, but it's a tank with a difference. Are you ready? Contact. So, what do you think of that? Over the next coming weeks we're going to be working on this project. I'm going to show you exactly how I made it, step by step, in several different videos. So if you like what you see and you'd like to see how it was done, then please stay tuned. Thanks. Bye.